What's up guys, it's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having an excellent day. You know guys, I am having such a blast with my new GoPro Max, especially in the 360 mode guys. This thing is I can't even talk straight. This thing is amazing, totally amazing. I can't wait to bring it up to some hiking spots. I'm probably going to bring it up right over here close by at the, well, you know what, I'm not going to say. Make sure you hit the subscribe button guys. Hit the subscribe button, bring you guys along to some nice mountain hikes, which this will come in really handy. It's going to be spectacular views, 360 degrees. All that good stuff guys. Here are some practice clips guys. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Bright flash